Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Windows microphone not working. It's a very simple process to fix it. Just simply open in your keyboard Windows plus I. It will going to open your settings. Then you can simply go for system and then you can simply go for sounds. After sound, you can simply look to the under input. If you scroll down a little bit, here is input. And from here, make sure you choose the right microphone and make sure your input volume is turned up. Your microphone is selected as a default input device. Now simply go for privacy and security, go for microphone. Here is your microphone, click on it and then turn on microphone access. Is just turn on this microphone access. Okay, so then what you can do, you can simply close it and simply restart your PC, and this will going to fix your problem in a very simple way. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.